Hey everybody, it's time for yet another Newegg unboxing. This is the hardware to upgrade those 3 machines from a recent video. You may recall I got 3 machines in from this client to do the Ryzen 3 2200G platform upgrades to, and then that was kind of put to the side in favor of building 2 Ryzen 5 2400G systems. Well, now we're finally getting to upgrading those other machines. And if you watched my last Newegg unboxing video, you may remember I was not particularly impressed with how the previous order was packed, and I also noticed there was a lack of a packing slip, which I find unusual for Newegg. Well, let's see how this one here is. Right away, I can say it could have been taped. The box could have been taped a bit better. I mean, this is ridiculous. Why didn't they not bother to put tape along here and along here? They did put a cross section over here, but it's like, come on. Like, really, how expensive is tape when you spend $15 on 3-day shipping? It's like, come on. Now, I don't think Newegg collects any extra money off the shipping. I think that goes to just a FedEx, but still. So this is a new style box that does have the Newegg logo on it, and a new slogan, "Shopping Upgraded." Awesome is here. They have a QR code on the other flap. So in here we should have 3 optical drives, 3 Ryzen 3 2200G APUs, 3 kits of memory, and 3 ASRock motherboards. So you get your typical airbags, which I had mixed opinions on. They're okay. They were good till they pop. Then of course once they pop, they're like no count. Get all these airbags out of the way. And the Harry's offer, which is just like the last one. They kind of just toss everything in, I guess, random order. We have an optical drive here, which, as you see, this one here is wrapped in good padding. This one here. And the third one is back here. The way they packed it it's okay. However, I noticed on the left side there's no padding between the Ryzen APUs and the actual side of the box. Here's the 3 memory kits. It's just 3 single sticks of RAM, 8 gigabytes apiece. Another airbag. I like to pop those, but I'm not going to do it here on video. And the Ryzen 3 2200G. I guess I should make a spot to start collecting stuff. So we have 3 of these. The optical drives, the memory, and last but not least the motherboards. So that's the stuff from Newegg, and no packing slip. I guess they stopped putting packing slips in the box. Kind of interesting. So we have one more package to unbox. Now this is not from Newegg, but I'll still do it here in this video. Those are the hard drives. They're from Go Hard Drive. I usually order them from them because they're pretty cheap, and the drives I've ordered from them for the most part have been pretty reliable. The white label drives, and also the Western Digital and Hitachi drives I've ordered from them. Matter of fact, the Mid-Tower Deluxe, the data storage drives are Hitachi's that have been running for like 3 years now. They were from Go Hard Drive. These are 500 gigabyte hard drives. I think they were like $21 a piece, something like that. Not too much. Okay, gotta get this invoice out of the way. Well, at least our eBay seller here has a packing slip. And very well packaged with bubble wrap. I tend to like bubble wrap a lot more than I do those airbags. Yeah, those are well packaged. Can't complain there at all. Sorry I'm doing this off camera. Yeah, very well secured. Yeah, these are white label drives. And if they appear, not sure if they are. They might be. These actually might be Seagate drives. And there we go. So anyways, there's the stuff I'll be using to upgrade 3 machines. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's CubeComp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.